Quantum exercise. Exercise 24 hours a day without stress. Living long and disease-free. Add 4 hours more to your productive hours per day. Now, quantum exercise. Increasing blood flow at the cellular and tissue level. We are also going to be talking about application of bioelectromagnetic massage and therapy, which we call quantum exercise in medicine. There is a pill or drug or medicine we are not taking enough of it. It is exercise. To live long and disease-free, we are told we must take 10,000 steps per day. This may prove difficult in our industrialized and fast-paced society, so we are instructed to spend 2 hours per day in a gymnasium for a minimum of 3 days in a week to be able to meet this requirement. The truth is that how many of us can keep to that minimum level requirement? Why is exercise important, or what are the benefits of exercise? When you exercise, your heart beats faster and blood vessels to your body vasodilate so that more blood can reach the deepest tissue and cells in your body. These are due to the release of adrenaline into your bloodstream when you begin to exercise, and later endorphins. Increase in blood flow to your cells and tissue level means more nutrients and oxygen are delivered to them by the blood, making them to grow and produce energy efficiently. Increase in blood flow, that is exercise, also makes it impossible for toxins like carbon dioxide, free radicals, lactic acid, etc. to accumulate around the cells, causing damage or stress to the cells. This prevents the development of chronic degenerative diseases like hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, autoimmune diseases, and cancer. The flow of blood through the blood vessel also does not allow the deposition of fat on the internal lining of the blood vessels, which is what normally occurs when blood flow is sluggish, causing arteriosclerosis, which further decreases the blood flow to the tissues. Now let's look at the effects of low blood supply to the tissues or organs of our body. Low blood supply to the brain is responsible for memory loss and rapid mental fatigue. Low blood supply is also responsible for acidic environment in our muscle and skeleton, leading to rapid fatigue and muscle pulls. It also makes internal organs like heart, liver, and kidney, also male organ, to perform below expectation or below optimal levels. So you have things like reduced libido, impotence, heart failure, and liver disease coming up. Since we find it difficult to create time for exercise, though it is beneficial, quantum exercise techniques help us to exercise per second without being conscious of it, leading to high energy levels and prevention of chronic degenerative diseases. The goal of exercise is to increase blood flow at tissue level, the same thing quantum exercise does without you being conscious of it. So, what is quantum exercise? Quantum exercise definition. Quantum is a measure of energy levels, and it is usually used in the field of electromagnetic radiation. Energy carried by electromagnetic radiation is measured in digital dimension in quantum levels and is impacted or transferred as such. Quantum exercise or electromagnetic therapy is when electromagnetic connectors or objects are placed around the body, impacting energy in quantum to the body, leading to blood flow. Blood flow increase leads to more supply of food and oxygen to the cells, thereby increasing energy production and tissue repairs and regeneration. Blood flow increase also leads to rapid removal of toxic waste product from around the cells. Now, what is electromagnetic wave or radiation? The smallest indivisible unit of any material or matter is called an atom. Actually, it is a diatom made up of positively charged heavy weight nucleus and negatively charged light to zero weight electron. The electron is negatively charged and it produces electric field around itself. It also spins around the atom, thereby creating the magnetic flux. So surrounding a spinning and moving electron is an electromagnetic flux or wave. So what is bioelectromagnetic potential or scalar energy that we call quantum? Our body contains charged molecules called ions. Your blood and fluid around every cells of your body contains positively charged cations and negatively charged anions molecules. So your body has its own electromagnetic flux called bioelectromagnetic potential. Electricity and magnetic energy exist in human body. It controls the heartbeat, stimulates muscles, and much more. Each molecule in the human body actually contains a small amount of electromagnetic energy. Art and environmental electromagnetic flux and disease. Electromagnetic waves are produced by changing levels of electron in an atom like ultraviolet light, infrared rays, microwave, X-rays, etc. They are abundant in the space around you. The electromagnetic waves around you are produced by A. The core of the earth is made up of various charged metals and ions. The earth itself has its magnetic poles and various electromagnetic discharges around its space. B. The presence of electrical equipment like televisions, computers, phones, refrigerator, microwave oven, etc. also contribute to the electromagnetic wave around us. The disruption of bioelectromagnetic potential in your body leads to disruption of blood flow to your tissue and cells. This often leads to extreme tiredness, fatigue, and accumulation of toxins, leading to development of chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and cancer. Electromagnetic therapy is based on the belief that an imbalance of electromagnetic frequency or fields of energy can cause illness. Electromagnetic therapy is applied to the body to correct these imbalances. Quantum exercise or electromagnetic therapy. Connectors are electromagnetically charged material placed around the body to provide continuous external electromagnetic flux around you. This protects you from external electromagnetic influence by realigning it to the earth polar ends away from your special organs towards the direction of blood flow from your heart towards the other part of your body. When this redirected electromagnetic flux interacts with your own bioelectromagnetic potential, the blood flow to your tissue cells and longer increases in the right direction, thereby balancing your electromagnetic flux. This same principle is what operates in fans when you place charged coil between two magnets. The coil moves by rotation. Block containing charged molecules, when placed in proximity to well-directed electromagnetic potential, it flows in that direction. Balanced bioelectromagnetic flux gives you stability and drives continuous blood flow through your organs to continuously supply it with oxygen and nutrients it, it, it requires for optimal performance, and it also removes toxins responsible for your lack of energy and tiredness. It also boosts the immune system, preventing chronic inflammation and allow rapid wound healing. This also prevents infection and various diseases. We know that standard or conventional medicine makes use of electromagnetic energy. Examples include jumpstarting the heart after cardiac arrest, using electric current to increase bone growth. Then we have TENS, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, which are used to treat some types of pain. And also we have the heart pacemaker that is used to correct cardiac or heart arrhythmia in patients suffering from irregular heartbeat. So, to be able to apply quantum exercise to your body, all you need is to put on electromagnetic connectors. And we have various examples of these electromagnetic connectors. So let's look at example of electromagnetic connectors. We have semiconductor pendants, bracelets, rings, wristwatches, pants and party liners, mugs and cup and flask. All these materials have been produced using semiconductors that can produce scalar quantum energy around your body. So they help your blood to flow to the tissue level and cells, giving you continuous energy and removing toxins. Is you exercising 24 hours, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without you being conscious of it. So this help you to prevent chronic degenerative diseases and live long and disease free. Thank you.